Good morning, everyone. We'll start with class 6, subject social science. We'll start again with geography, chapter 5, that is 4 realms of the earth. This is the third video of this chapter. In our previous video, we discussed about the lithosphere. In the lithosphere, we discussed about the 7 continents of the world. Then we discussed about the hydrosphere. In the hydrosphere, we discussed about the 5 oceans of the world. In today's video, we are going to discuss atmosphere, the third realm of the earth, that is atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a thin blanket of air which is called the atmosphere. This thin layer of gases is held in its place by Earth's gravity. This layer extends above the Earth's surface for more than 1,000 kilometers. The atmospheric layer is made up of water vapor, various gases, dust particles, and many other impurities such as smoke and chemicals. The atmosphere approximately constitutes nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and the remaining 1% are gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen, helium, argon, ozone, and neon. All these gases are necessary for life. Oxygen is essential for breathing. Look at this composition of gases in the atmosphere. Oxygen is essential for breathing. Nitrogen is required for maintaining the fertility of soil and the growth of living organism. Carbon dioxide helps plant to make their food with the help of sunlight and absorb heat radiated by the earth. Ozone protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun, that is ultraviolet rays. So atmosphere is made up of different layers based on composition, temperature and other properties. Starting from the earth's surface, the layers are named as troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These layers vary in thickness. All weather changes and human activity take place in the troposphere. Look at this layer of atmosphere and their approximate extents. The degree of hotness or coldness of air is called air temperature. Air becomes thinner as we go upward to the surface of the earth, and the amount of dust, particle and water vapor decreases. Therefore, with increasing altitude, air temperature also decreases. Air has weight and it exerts pressure on the earth's surface. This pressure is known as air pressure. The pressure of air depends on temperature. Cold air is heavy and exerts high pressure, while warm air is light and exerts low pressure. Moving air is called wind. Wind causes change in weather. Moist wind during rain to a place bring rain to a place. When cold wind pass over any place, they lower the temperature of that place. And the next topic we have biosphere. What is biosphere? The narrow zone of contact between the land, air and water is called the biosphere. The term bios means life. It is within this zone that life exists on the earth. Thus, the biosphere is zone where 3 realms interact with each other. Look at this. This is the biosphere. This is the place where the 3 realms interact with each other. The living organisms of biosphere are classified into 2 major groups: plant kingdom and animal kingdom. From microorganisms of trees and animals are a part of the biosphere. Biosphere is made up of distinct zones, each with its own climate, flora and fauna. These zones are called ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of biotic, that is living, and abiotic, that is non-living components. All the living organisms are interdependent and interlinked with each other. The interrelationship and interdependence needs to be studied and understood properly. There are a constant change of energy between all the realms of the earth. The atmosphere returns water to the hydrosphere through the lithosphere. Soils are dependent on atmospheric conditions like rainfall and sunshine. Trees grow under the certain specific atmospheric conditions. related to temperature and rainfall. When food is available in the surrounding, animals are also present. This give and take relationship goes on in the form of an endless cycle. So in this chapter we discussed about the four realms of the earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Thank you.